friends, what's up? This is Arcade from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to show how to use live text in iOS 15 on iPhone and iPad. One of the handy new features arriving with iOS 15 is the option to quickly recognize text and select copy, paste, lookup, and more in both the camera and Photos app. Up until now, you had to download a third-party app to get this functionality on iPhone and iPad. But with iOS 15 and iPadOS 15 Apple is including optical character recognition aka OCR as a seamless option in the camera, as well as photos and screenshots you have already taken in the Photos app. That all being said, let me show you how to use live text on iPhone and iPad. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, I'm going to show how to use live text in the camera app. To get it done, launch the camera app on your iOS device. After that, look for the new live text button that looks like viewfinder square with 3 lines. You can find it at the bottom right corner when in portrait orientation or bottom left in the landscape mode. Next, look for the yellow viewfinder rectangle to appear as the camera notices text as you move your camera around. When you have the yellow viewfinder surrounding the text you want, tap the live text button to be able to select copy, lookup, translate, and share recognized text. It's worth noting that text like phone numbers, emails, dates, addresses, etc. feature live links that can be acted on with a long press. If the live text button and yellow viewfinder aren't showing up, try moving closer to the text. Now I'm going to show how live text works in the Photos app. Do know that live text works for photos and screenshots you have already taken. Open Apple's Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, look for the same live text icon. Viewfinder square with 3 lines. Tap the icon to recognize all available text in an image, or you can also just swipe or tap to select copy paste your text even without tapping the live text icon first. That's pretty much it. So that's the way you can use live text feature on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15 or iPadOS 15. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have an amazing time. Bye bye.